everybody. I am going to show you what your interactive social studies notebook should look like right now if you have been taking notes. Mine is only up to politics, so we're going to get started. So if you were with me from the beginning, you would have your Unit 1 vocabulary words. This is all of Unit 1's vocabulary words. Then we went in and we put in the graphic organizer for the religions. So you see this. Might be a little difficult for you. But we did all the world religions, and your answers were put in like this if you printed it out or you wrote it in. Then you had to do your Unit 1 review. That was for your test that you took. You had to fill in the information for your Unit 1 review and put that in your interactive notebook. Then we started a new thing. We went in and we did our table of contents for our vocabulary that we're on now, which is for escape. So we did the table of contents. Then we went and we did another page of table of contents. And then we started vocabulary for setting. Then we did the culture vocabulary, about history, and then we did our politics vocabulary. Now you should have your economics vocabulary because that's what you did today, which was yesterday for you. And then we went on and we skipped and we counted up to, and we went and put the tab in for notes. And we started our table of contents there. Then we started another page of table of contents. And then we started our notes for escape. Depending on how big or how small you wrote, it depends on how many pages you use for your notes. I did front to back, of course, and your numbers should be there to show you. This is where your numbers should be at in your interactive notebook at the bottom. So this is how my interactive notebook looks. Yours should be as close as possible to this. My page numbers are still at the bottom. So at about history, I was still taking notes. I went all the way over here. So I'm on page 7 with my about history. And I kept writing. Then my politics started on page 8. And then I went all the way through. Kept going. See? So, my politics ended, I think, let's see what it is. Oh, mine ended on page 12 with my representative government. So, now I have to go back in and I have to do my economic notes and my economics vocabulary. You should have did that yesterday. So, if you did, then you're doing good with your interactive notebook. Now, next week we will start with the United States and Canada. We're going to start with the vocabulary for that, which is Unit 2. See you then.